10 months alone, entrepreneurs, small businesses and marketeers have spent over $400 million every month right here on YouTube. And they're spending it all on ads, just like this one that you're trying to click away from now. But this ad is going to make me a boatload of money in my business because I'm part of that $400 million spend. And what you've got to decide is whether you're going to just skip the ad and decide that you've already made enough money, or you can choose to be positive and think, hey, what if this guy in the glasses is actually doing something that would work for me, because I know that it would. See, I've got clients all over the world, and what you can see now covering my face is feedback from people just like you who are screaming good stuff about what they've learned from me and about running YouTube ads just like this one to bring in money into their business from clients who want what they sell. And I don't care how much your products are or what your products are or where you sell them, because your customers are right here, right now on YouTube, and you can interrupt them just like I've interrupted you, and you can show them your business, and you can do it in a ridiculously inexpensive way. I'd love to teach you. I'm about to run a training session, and if you're seeing this ad, then you can go there now and learn this exact process for yourselves. Click the link somewhere around this video depending on which device that you're watching the video on, and I'll get you making money today on YouTube in a way which will amaze you. I see you on the inside.